Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get a full body of tattoos on your assumed breast. So you're going to select the skin tight outfit and you're going to select the tattoo pattern, which is, trying to find it, this one. It works for a lot of skin tones. I'm also going to put this one on as well. And then for the pants, you can use the leggings or these ones. But you're just going to cover up, obviously, the skirt part. Might just use some shorts, to be honest, for this one. Okay. Going to select those. And then I'll select the same pattern again. You can also do it for gloves as well. So here, just turn off the fur, and then you'll have a full body of tattoos. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.